Hello YouTube, and happy new year. I hope you guys are keeping your goals for the new year. I don't say New Year's resolution because I do not believe in that, but I hope you guys are keeping up with your goals. I am here to do a unboxing. I got a couple, so I don't know what you see behind me, you guys. You may see my dog, but I am in the middle of deep cleaning my house. I don't believe in, get your house all ready before the New Year's break and all of that, because to me that's superstition. But what I do is in January, I literally deep clean I try to do every section of the house. So, go through cabinets, pull everything out in the bathroom, see what needs to be thrown away, going through my clothes, trying to see what I can fit and what I can't anymore and what I can get rid of. Say hi to Bentley. I hope you guys are enjoying my content. And what else? Just Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Or as, the people who I can't stand say, Happy New Year's with an S. We don't do that. But anywho. So, one of my goals for the new year, which I have not kept yet, is to minimize my shopping and focus more on doing some things around the house. We need shutters for the windows. We need, what else? It's just a lot of projects that I want to do to my house this year. So I'm going to kind of shift from shopping so much, hopefully, and bring you guys along when we start working on our house. One of the reasons why I am tearing everything up and breaking everything down and getting rid of stuff and try to get things organized. So anywho, before the spring gets here. So my very first, why every time I get on camera I feel like my nose start running? What is that about? I don't know if it's the lights making my hair. I don't know. Is the lighting good? I don't know. But anywho, you guys, so the first unboxing that I'm going to do of the year is going to be what's in this box. So really quick story about this item. I have been trying to look for this item for a while now, and it's never at any of the Louis Vuitton stores in Atlanta, and I think it's because the item is such a great price. So I was watching another channel that I love. It's called KW Shops. Her name is Catherine, which is my late grandmother's name. And I was watching one of her videos and she had it, and I was like, oh my gosh, she got this thing that I've been, wanting. Let me go on a hunt again and see if I can find it. Because usually when you go to the site, and I'll show you guys who it's from. You'll see that. Usually when you go on LouisVuitton.com, it's sold out. Or when it says call for availability, that means it's sold out. And then when I go into my local Saks, they didn't have it. And then the store across the street, the big Louis Vuitton, they don't have it. I personally think they don't like to carry it because, like I said, it's inexpensive for Louis Vuitton. So it came. Oh my God, it's packaged so beautifully. This is like beautiful. Okay. Got me this. Let's see what this is. I'm teasing y'all now. Oh, they gave me some samples. Some Louis Vuitton fragrance samples is in that. That was sweet. I'm sure this is the receipt for the item. So anyway, getting back to my story. So, I swear I feel like my nose is running, you guys. I hope it's not. I don't know what that is. Every time I get on camera, I feel like my nose is running crazy. So anyway, I was back to my story for the 12th time. So I was watching Catherine from KW Shops, and she showed me the item, which again reminded me that I wanted it. And so I'm like, let me try one last time to hunt this down. So I had an event, and I was like, let me go to Saks and see if they have it. So we were in Saks, and she was like, I called Saks at first, Saks at Phipps Plaza, and they were like, oh, we have several of them. Like, several? Okay, cool. So I run up Saks. The lady like, we don't have none. They think that the systems is all messed up from the holidays, and we don't have any. So she was like, but I'm seeing one available on LouisVuitton.com. So you need to hurry up, go online and put it in your cart now. So I did what she said, put it on in my cart. And then after the event, when I got home, I was like, I really need to get this. But then I started having second thoughts. I was like, you know, I really don't need this. I'm trying not to spend money. You know, I need to just not do that, yada, yada, yada. So hubby was like, when he saw the price, he was like, girl, here, just get it, no biggie. So thanks, babe. He's so sweet. He knows I'm trying. Your wife likes to shop, but I'm trying. So he was like, you know, just go ahead and get it. I think he was like, that's it for a Louis Vuitton piece? Go and get that. So here it is. It's in this little box, which is a very cute box. Y'all, my setup is real janky because I don't feel like I need to get back upstairs in my office, but yeah. Okay, so let me pull it out. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It is the Louis Vuitton Essential V bracelet. I believe that's what it's called. Yep, it's the Essential V Nano bracelet. So what I like about this one is the cute little V. Let's make sure it focuses. So let me put it on. So it came, it actually came yesterday, and hubby was like, can we see what it is? And I was like, I gotta do an unboxing for the channel, so I can't open it up. So the lady told me I needed a 19. I think it's a little too big, honestly. I'm trying to put it on, you guys. Jeez Louise. Lord, I hope I don't have to return this for a smaller one, because it's... What is happening? Yeah, I think I could have got the other size, but let's see. Okay, it's not bad. So that is it on my arms, you guys. It's very cute. So yeah, I like it. The 19 fits good. The other one may have been too perfect, and I like that you can have some wiggle room to it. But I love it. I love the simplicity of the V. They had some other kinds, but I feel like I can wear this with my with other bracelets. So yeah, that is it. Thank you so much, babe, for spoiling wifey. And yeah, so that's it. It's the Louis Vuitton Essential V bracelet. I want to say, does it have the price? Let's see how much it was. I mean, this is real inexpensive for Louis Vuitton. Now, is it inexpensive for a little strip of nothing? No, but it don't tell you the price. It is not telling me the price. But I want to say it was less than $250. I believe it was like $240. But I believe because it's close to, it's the holiday season, so they don't have the prices on there. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so yeah, I want to say it was $240, but it's cute. You see, it's just a cute little, hopefully y'all can see that. I'm trying to let it focus, but it's cute. And it's the micro LVs. So they had some other bracelets in the Louis store, and I didn't like it because it didn't seem like they were centered well. But this one looks really good. I'm hoping it doesn't stretch out. I feel like I could have got a size down, but then I don't know if I would have liked it tight on my hand. So that's it. Very cute. My first little, this really ain't my first, y'all gonna see in the next video my other purchases. So it's cute. It's got LV made in Spain. I usually like all my stuff made in France. Can y'all see that? Probably not. I got lights everywhere. But anyway, and then it just has the V. I'm just making sure y'all can see it again. Come on, focus camera, focus camera. Very cute. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you, I'm so tired of saying this, I'm gonna have to come up with something else to say. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And yeah, see you on the next video, where I will be taking off this hot sweatshirt up under these lights. All right, you guys, love you. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it has, I just realized, you guys, it has the holiday packaging, which is the red Louis Vuitton. You know, they change up their ribbons. Why is this not closing? What am I doing wrong? Oh, that's why. Okay, so that is so cute. All right, love you guys. Bye. Mwah. And what else do I say? Stay stylish and stay fabulous. Mwah.